Hi, my name's Paul. I'm just about to undertake a restoration project on this old stone tank, which has probably been kicking around for 100 years. We camped out here in the Flinders Ranges, which is excuse for my hair, and let's get going. With local materials, local stone, local lime, and of course local sand. So we'll get a bit of sand. This old tank was made out of lime and sand mortar. We're using a light cement lime sand mortar, which will be 1 cement, 1 lime and 6 sand. But the first thing we've got to do is clean some of the old mortar that's left out. So what I'm doing is knocking out the old lime mortar to make room for the new stuff. Very crumbly, the old gear. Take the drone up now to give you a look at the surrounding area. It's beautiful out here. Adjacent to the tank over there, it's the same kind of stone. So to fill the holes in the wall, I'll be taking stone out of here. Plus I'm looking for a couple of supports to support some of the stone when I knock the mortar out, so I don't want them falling out. This is the old rainwater tank for the old house, which I used to dig, lined with stone and then lined with cement afterwards. Yeah, I wouldn't want to fall in there. Just a stone footing, not a concrete one. They were just stones were just laid there. They made an outer wall and an inner wall and infilled it with dirt and then had a lime mortar. It's lasted pretty well, but now as you can see she's crumbling down, so I think this corner might be one of the first things we fix to support the rest of the wall. This is where it gets a bit sketchy when you start taking stone like this out. You don't want the whole wall to come down. So most of the dirt's washed out, old mortar and rubble broken off from the stones. And then they infilled the wall with dirt. A lot of the dirt's been washed out of this because this has been pretty bad for a long while, and we've just got old lime mortar. See how crumbly it is? So we're just cleaning out this corner and hoping it doesn't fall in the process. Stone out, dropped it on the ground and it split like that. It's a sedimentary rock. It was laid in the wall like that. It shouldn't have been. It should have been laid flat on its bedding plane. Less chance of it splitting away the faces, but that's how it is. You never find a prop the right length when you need one. Health and safety here. The water we're using here is bore water, and it's actually pretty good bore water. It doesn't have too much salt in. The last thing you want in your mix is too much salt. All right, let's make one. silence. I like my mixers a bit wetter than normal because everything's so bloody dry out here. So what we've done so far is build the corner up, backfilled inside, any gaps have been backfilled, mortar has been placed in there against any other stone that's there to hold them together to bond it all properly. So I'm just about to make another mix, and then one of the hardest parts is trying to fill a gap in right. You know, you've got to have the right size stone, and we don't have the best stone in the world in this particular spot. This property is about 1,600 square kilometres in size. I have worked on other tanks here, and the quality of stone in different areas is better than others. This ain't too good, but it'll do. My wife's coming back during various stages of this project, which should take about 3 weeks, and just filming different sections. See you later.